Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, today this is a very important video who wants to secure Google Chrome, who are doing a lot of important things in their computer, and we will make sure the Google Chrome is even more secure and enhanced protection is there in the Google Chrome. So open your Google Chrome browser and click on these three dots and then go to settings. Once you're here, click on privacy and security. So here there are so many options and we will go to security tab, which is safe browsing protection from dangerous sites and other security settings. So it will say standard protection, but since we are looking for real-time enhanced protection against dangerous sites, downloads and extensions, we will go to enhanced protection. Yes, so this is a very important and very good practice if you can turn on enhanced protection in Google Chrome. And the next thing which you need to do is to go to the about Chrome and just see right here, just see exactly what it's going to check for the updates, and you can also match the version right here. Alright, so the moment we click on about Chrome, it will start updating your Google Chrome. So we just have to do two things here, and we have just made our Google Chrome more secure and protection is way better than earlier. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section whether you have done this or not already. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.